Okay. The Bank of Canada met, and our mortgage partner, Jessica Oates, and Brian Conlon from, our Dominion Lending, if I could speak. This happens all the time to me.
I know the feeling.
And it's because I actually haven't had my coffee yet this morning. So, and believe it or not. And they are leaving the Bank of Canada, the base rate the same. So an article came out from the chief economist of Dominion Lending, and she came out and said the Bank of Canada decided to keep its target for the overnight rate of 0.25% in line with the forecast and to maintain its forward guidance, which sees a rise in the overnight rate sometime in the middle quarter of 2022. Until then, policymakers vowed to provide an adequate degree of monetary stimulus to support Canada's economy and achieve the inflation target of 2%. On the price front, the ongoing supply disruptions continue to support high inflation rates. But gasoline prices, which have been a significant upside risk factor, have recently declined. Still, the Bank of Canada expects inflation to remain elevated in the first half of 2022 and ease towards 2% in the second half of the year. Finally, recent economic indicators suggested the economy had considerable momentum in the fourth quarter, namely in the labor and housing markets. Still, it's variant of the variant of the coronavirus and the devastation left by the floods in our British Columbia has added to downside risks. The bank's press release went on to say that the governing council judges that in view of ongoing excess capacity, the economy continues to require considerable monetary policy support. We remain committed to holding the policy interest rate at the effective lower bound until economic slack in absorbed so that the 2% inflation target is sustainably achieved. In the bank's October projection, this happened sometime in the middle quarter of 2022. We will provide the appropriate degree of monetary policy stimulus to support the recovery and achieve the inflation target, she said. And in October, the bank ended its bond buying program and is now in its reinvestment stage. And it remains its Government of Canada bonds holdings by replacing securities as they mature. So that is what Dr. Sherry Cooper, the chief economist of Dominion Lending Center, came out as a report and had to say. And Jessica Oates, by the way, that I mentioned earlier with Harmony Mortgage Group, that's one of my mortgage service partners, she has gracefully and graciously given me the okay to put her app link on my homepage of my website, so you can actually get pre-approved in a snap, and that is on my homepage. If you go on there, you'll see the link. You can just click it and get pre-approved if you're thinking about possibly purchasing. Now, also on my homepage, I just wanted to mention to everyone, of course, the season of giving, and I wish the season of giving would be every day of the whole year of our whole lives, and for a lot of people it is, and thank God for you and the people that you help. And I would ask if anybody wants an evaluation of their property, of course, I give evaluations for free, but I also give evaluations for donation. And on my homepage, again, there's a link there that you click for that evaluation. But if you do by donation, it'll open up to the Mission Gospel Missions webpage where you can donate. And I will match anyone's donations up to $500 to help support our local Mission Gospel Mission or the BC Children's Miracle Network. So two that I really, really love supporting. And so if anybody is thinking of getting an evaluation, and maybe you're not thinking of selling, but you're like, I would like to donate and I'd like an evaluation, so let's have Michele in. You know, I would love that, and I thank you for that. And so that's on my homepage too as well, if you'd like to.
All right, well, we should probably take a quick break here. If people do want more information to check out your homepage, where can they go?
To michelecummins.ca.
All right, we're back with more right after these words.